Hi guys, it's me again, Darwin. So, we had a Christmas party, 2 Christmas parties, I guess. Then, yeah, all of this I received. This one. Ano siya? It's perfect. So, let's see if what's going on. Charot, let's see sa ani. Check it out. So, I got this one, Ansong noodle soup. This one, perfect. And also, stock. And medyas space. Perfect. Next, yes. Yeah. I got also 3 extra big pancit canton. Yeah. And this one. So, nanakoy wow guys. I have a wow na. Look at this. Diba? Perfect. Thank you for this stuff. Charot. Okay. And the last one is this one sa akong bablikod. This one. Charang! Ano siya bukang? Oh, perfect. Perfect. So, all of this. So, muna akong nakaha this Christmas. Oh my God, I'm so grateful to have this kind of, yeah. Thank you for this. Thank you for giving. May the Lord bless us and protect us. So, thank you for watching. Bye.